Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. If you are new, my name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun and different subscription box unboxings. We do a little bit of everything from subscription boxes that are beauty, lifestyle, and also product reviews, product hauls. So if you enjoy subscription boxes and that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our YouTube family. We would love to have you. Guys, I want to remind you we do have an active giveaway going on. It is with Glamour Jewelry Box and it will be linked down below. It does end on December 10th, so you do still have plenty of time to enter. As you can see, today we have the November 2020 Look Fantastic Beauty Box. So Look Fantastic is a monthly beauty subscription. You're going to receive 5 to 6 items. They can be sample and deluxe size and even full size items. It is only $19 a month. I have a link I will put down below, so definitely check it out if you have not already. But let's get in here and see what we got for November. I think the color of the box is beautiful. And it actually, when you open the lid, it says, "Be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire." Oh, I love that. I love that saying. All right, so when we open it, we have our little catalog here on top and the little Look Fantastic sticker. So we do have a sneak peek here for the December box, and that is the Avant Pro Radiance Brightening Eye Final Touch. It says, "Fight signs of aging with this luxurious Avant eye cream infused with hyaluronic acid and seawater to deliver long-lasting moisture and combat the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and eye bags for an overall more youthful glow." Sounds good to me, and that is worth. Now, Look Fantastic is it does come from the UK, so all the pricing is in pounds, and it is worth £98. So I know Avant products are pricey. So yay, that'll be in December's box. All right, so let's get in here and see what we have in November's box. And peel back the tissue paper. All right. So it looks like we have more than, I think a couple of these might all go together. I'm not sure. Let's see here. All right, so we have got okay, so this is actually one technical item. So you actually could have gotten, this is from Philip Kingsley. You could have gotten the Pure Color Frizz Fighting Gloss or the Bodybuilding Weightless Shampoo and Conditioner, which is what I got. And I'm so glad that they do it together as the shampoo and the conditioner. And these are great to take if you're traveling or spending the night somewhere. So it says, lather the shampoo into the scalp, rinse and follow with the conditioner. These Philip Kingsley products will leave your hair feeling soft, silky, and shiny. The Bodybuilding Duo is infused with a cocktail of beneficial ingredients to provide long-lasting body and bounce. So we have the shampoo and conditioner. There's that. And then let's see, we have this is from This Works. You could have gotten Perfect Legs Skin Miracle or In Transit Camera Close-Up. And I got the In Transit Camera Close-Up. And it says this is a mask, moisturizer, and primer all in one, erasing signs of fatigue to help your complexion look more radiant. Apply to cleansed skin until absorbed. Sounds fantastic. I like all of that. Oh, and it even says mask, moisturizer, and primer in one. So I will definitely give that a try. And then we have got, now this is a good size. This is from Polar. Ice Pure Micellar Water with Arctic Cotton. Harnessing the powers of Arctic cotton, this cleanser removes even the most stubborn makeup to bring moisture and hydration to the skin without overdrying or bringing uncomfortable tightness to the skin. So you apply all over the face with a cotton pad. You do not rinse. It says for a even deeper cleanse, follow with your favorite moisture face wash. So I'm excited to use that. Again, this is a good size for traveling. But I'm very intrigued about what Arctic cotton is. Do you know? All right. Then we have got, this is from Naobe, Natural and Organic, Detox Unpolluted. It's an oxygen light cream. And it says this lightweight face cream provides intense moisture without leaving your face greasy. Formulated with green tea, aloe vera, and raspberry to regulate your skin's moisture levels and protect it from free radicals. It's ideal for all skin types. And then you just massage gently onto cleansed skin until absorbed. That sounds really nice. I like lighter moisturizers like that feel lighter but still give you that deep hydration. They're my favorite. All right, and then we have got from Lord and Berry. We have got, this is a little eyeliner, and you could have gotten bronze or gold. And I think I got gold. Let's see. It doesn't tell me, but it appears to be gold. Yeah, I would say that's gold. Lord and Berry eye pencil is comfortable on the eye, intense in pigment, and incredibly long-lasting. In a gorgeous gold or bronze shade to make your eyes pop. The fine point allows for precise application, while its creamy formula can easily be blended. All right. Okay, and then let's go on. I think we're down to our final item here, and this is from Ina? I'm not sure. It's like a 3INA. Thrina? Longwear lipstick. Okay, and there's three. It looks like 3 different shades. Get a perfect pout with the help of this lipstick. Sorry, I can't read for a second. Which has a super lightweight formula, a doe foot applicator for easy application, and a highly pigmented color. The liquid lipstick dries down to a smudge-proof, comfortable finish that will last all day. And if my color is based off this box, I think I'm going to like it. There was a red, which obviously I love. So here is the outer packaging. Oh yeah, this is right up my alley. It's a thinner formula. I like that. I like that a lot. A lot. So that was the November 2020 Look Fantastic Beauty Box. I think we got a really good variety. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Technically, we got 7 products. One of them goes together. So still, I think for $19, that's an amazing deal. And this is obviously full size. So let me know what you thought of the Look Fantastic Beauty Box for November 2020. Do you get Look Fantastic? Let me know. I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so very much to my channel members. Your support means so very much. Guys, I appreciate all of you who take the time to watch my videos and be a part of our YouTube family. It means so much, and I love all of you guys. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.